Okay. Jackson, say hi. Oh, look at those beautiful eyes. They're kind of blue. Oh. And he has the hiccups. Oh. Someone has the hiccups. Oh boy. Can you say hi? Say hi to the camera. Oh boy. He's like, what is this light in my face? 7 o'clock, so we open the blinds. Someone likes to wake up early. Yeah. You're so cute, baby. Yes, you are. That's a nice face you got there. That's a nice face, baby. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Look at that face. He's very confused by the camera. Very confused. What is this thing in my face? Hi, baby. So bright outside, huh? Yeah. I love this little onesie on you. It's so cute. It's adorable. Look at it. All the little planes. You don't know how cute it is, but I know. I know. Oh, what are these? These are hands. All right. I guess we'll take more video later. Oh, you're so handsome. Hi, Cass. All right. Say bye-bye.